So my name is Young Paik. I'm the Technical Marketing Director for Aerospike. Aerospike is a company that is really in big data where the rubber hits the road. So if you think about big data, most people think of Hadoop doing big data analysis, and that's all great and well, but at some point you need to make that data operational, and that's where we come in. So you take the data out of Hadoop, put it into our database so that you can get really quick direct access to it. So where it fits into the big data space is that Hadoop has been kind of the big poster child for big data. But big data is actually about having so much data that you can do new things with it. And now with Aerospike, you have the database that's fast enough and scalable enough that it can handle all sorts of new use cases in the Internet of Things, lots of new use cases that we're finding with customers. And we work so quickly and so scalably that our customers are now able to stop worrying about the database and actually worry about what they want to do on top of it. What sets us apart is that we really care about the performance of the product, how it's designed, how it scales, and what that really means for our customers is they don't have to worry about that anymore. So all they have to worry about is creating the application, and we'll worry about how to make it scale up from 3 nodes to 10 nodes to 50 nodes and make their applications just fly. We're really a new company in the space, so not a lot of people know about us. They've heard a lot about our open source competitors, but we are a real company with a commercial product that is fully supported, and we really think that our customers are the most important aspect of what we're doing. So we want to make sure that they have a lot of success. What we're here for is just to kind of announce our presence, let customers know that after they're done doing the analysis with Hadoop, they can put the data into us and have it ready to go. So our target customers are anybody who has a lot of data that they need to interact with in terms of customers or in terms of objects. The most common use case for our database is where you're storing customer profiles. And people have been storing more and more customer data with their applications, and they want to make rapid use of it. So anybody that needs to store lots of data on their customers so that the second they come in, we're able to give them like millisecond level response so that they can start doing more complicated things like doing predictive analysis, doing real-time modeling. All of those are typical use cases for our customers today, and we want to expand that out into new vertical markets. In the next 5 years, I think what we're going to find is that people are going to start coming out of their shells a little bit. I've worked with a lot of retailers and financial services companies that have had what they think of as a lot of data for a while, but it's actually a pittance compared to what they really could do. So now that the floodgates have opened, they can analyze petabytes or exabytes of data. They can now do all that with the data, and then they can put it into our database to do even more interesting things. And when you make that quantum leap in terms of the data you can store, you can make that quantum leap in terms of business opportunity. So you can learn more just by going to www.aerospike.com. And for those of you that are interested but don't really want to go through a full evaluation, we do have now a community edition that is free. So you're free to go ahead, download it, just test it out and see, does it really perform the way that we say? And we think you're going to find that it does.